Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my channel. My name is Jonathan. I am the spiritually awakened empath, and in this video, I will be covering 10 things that are blocking your manifestations, 10 things that are limiting your manifestation ability and being able to track truly what you desire out of life. If this is your first time on the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified each time that I upload a video. All right, let's get started. The first thing that is limiting your manifesting ability, the first blockage that most people have is not being able to release negative emotions that are trapped in their heart, not being able to heal past events, no matter how hard, no matter how negative they are. These emotions are keeping you down. And manifesting something is all about aligning yourself up with the right vibration. Therefore, you have to start releasing what is no longer serving you. It is extremely painful to purge this out physically. It is demanding, but I can tell you this, that it is weakness leaving the body. And what's amazing is once you manage to release this negative emotion once and for all, then you're going to be able to raise up your vibrations. And not only that, you're going to learn the life lessons that you were meant to through these difficult situations. And the harder the situation is, the more valuable the life lesson is to be learned out of this. And this takes me perfectly into the second reason why you're having troubles manifesting something into your life is living in the current moment, living in the present moment, or looking forward. And that's why healing is so crucial, because your mind, your brain cannot differentiate the difference between looking back at something that's already occurred and then projecting, envisioning what your future wants to be. But if you're always looking back, you're not able to become the person you need to be. You're not able to transform your personality into becoming the person you need to be to align yourself up with what it is you're trying to manifest. The third reason you're not able to manifest what you truly desire currently. There's one very important time during the day that everybody could be using this to manifest, and most people aren't. It's during your sleep. We literally spend 1/3 of our lives sleeping, yet most people don't think about just prior going to bed, either doing a quick 5, 10, 15-minute meditation or else sending out affirmations just prior to going to bed. And now if you can do this, now your entire night, 6 to 8 hours, your subconscious is going to be thinking about these things you want to attract in your life. It's going to be using the law of attraction instead of, let's say, going to bed and you're just worrying about something, and then that's what's going to happen during this 8-hour period. Also, binaural beats are incredibly powerful. These can help you out with literally anything. Let's say you can put on 3, 4 binaural beats per night. Let's say you have a problem with self-confidence. There's a binaural beat for that. You want to raise self-love. There's another one there. You want to remove money blockages. Same thing. You want to help raise up your vibrations. There are literally thousands of different binaural beats. So start making a playlist and then start seeing, really go by your feelings. Stop using your brain, okay? Those of you who are awakened, stop rationalizing your way through life and begin to feel your way through life. And it's the same thing during the daytime. See what struggles you had, and then start creating different playlists during the nighttime that's going to help get rid of those blockages, that's going to help raise up your vibrations, that's going to help bring in that abundance that you truly want and truly desire. The number four, the fourth blockage that most people have is not being able to ignore their current reality. If right now you're remotely struggling, if right now things are difficult, unless you can specifically do something at this very moment, there is no point thinking about it. Envision your future instead. And if you need to, let's say you have a $10,000 credit card debt and you're trying to figure out how to clear it off, pick a specific time during the week and think of how you can actually speed up the progress. the process of clearing off that credit card. But until then, if you're able to make the minimum payment, simply tell yourself, on the 14th, I will make the minimum payment. Set it and forget it. Stop thinking about it, because this is just bringing more negative emotions into you, and it's drastically lowering your vibrational energy. And you're never going to be able to align with it, what it is you're trying to manifest, if you're always coming from a place of, let's say, stress, fear, guilt, shame, any of these bottom feeding emotions. Number five, as you start moving forward on your spiritual journey, you'll start noticing that your vibrations are going to move up. You're going to start feeling better. You're going to be happier. You're going to be having more peace in your life. You're going to be doing more things out of love. And it's really important to begin to let go of what is no longer serving you. It might be friends, family, relatives that have lower vibrational energy. When you're with them, they bring you down. And I'm not saying to completely eliminate them, it's just start limiting the time you spend with these certain types of individuals. And it's the same thing if you watch the news every single day, you watch the fake news, and it's bringing you down, it's causing you to be fearful, or it's causing stress in your life. Remove this. Begin to really pick out the things in your everyday life that's lowering your vibrations, and if you're able to, completely remove them. It's the same thing with negative TV shows. Let's say you like watching The Walking Dead. I can tell you this right now, watching those types of show absolutely does not serve you. At a subconscious level, all it's doing is causing you to feel fear and to feel nervous at the same time. It's no longer serving you. Same thing with social media. If you find yourself viewing someone's post, one of your friends' posts on social media about something great that's going on in their lives, and you're jealous currently, just eliminate it. It's not serving you at all. And now, number six, the sixth thing that you could be doing to bring forth these manifestations is start micromanaging your life. As in, start setting out intentions every day. Start setting out affirmations every single day. I intend on having a safe drive to and from work. Let's say if you have to do a presentation at work, I intend on speaking very clearly and getting my message across to my coworkers. And then you could have the affirmation, I'm so happy, glad, and excited that they will be implementing what I just presented to them. You see, start really micro manifesting at that level. Each and every single day, these little micro manifestations are going to help speed up what it is that you're trying to manifest. And also start expecting situations to turn out in your favor, and start seeing the best out of people, and that's what you're going to draw out of them. And also remember this, miracles are an everyday life. I can't even count the amounts of miracles my angels have created for me throughout my awakening, throughout my spiritual journey. And I now realize that these can happen literally every single day. And what's amazing is once you begin to receive these miracles, you're going to feel inspired to continue on. You're going to begin to feel grateful. You're going to be able to get into that peace, love, and happiness. And you're truly going to be able to become the authentic person that you're meant to be. And you're going to see that all these little changes, what is going to happen is it's literally going to change your personality. And that's what you need to understand. The person you are today will not be able to attract everything you desire. You have to change your personality in order to change your personal reality. That's how it goes. If I see someone now that I haven't seen in a couple of years, they do not even recognize who I am. Why? It's because I've had to change the person that I was to the person I am now. I had to find the authentic person that was inside of me. And this has been a major life transformation. But it's brought everything good into my life. I've been able to manifest everything I've possibly needed through this transformation. And number seven, seventh reason you haven't been able to manifest what you truly desire is you have to, first of all, accept who you are today as of this very moment, not who you were a week ago, a month ago, 6 months ago. Accept who you are today and begin to have self-love and begin to have more self-worth. And you'll see as you begin to feel better about yourself, it's going to begin to express itself out into your reality. The more self-love you have, the more self-worth you have, the better things you're going to attract. You're going to find people all of a sudden are kinder, people are more loving towards you. Situations are always turning out in your favor. Things are coming through and are better than you can ever imagine. And this is all through self love. And this leads me into number eight. The eighth reason is being able to feel grateful for what you already have. And it's through this self love, raising your vibrations, that you're truly going to begin to feel grateful for what you have. And you'll see that it's just like with my angels, each miracle they bring into my life, I get to experience that love. I get to experience that bliss, that joy. And then what I do is stay in that moment as long as you possibly can, because it just feels so great. And then you'll find out each and every single time you have something to feel grateful for, your vibrations are going to continue to raise. And this is really going to help bring forth, because once you're able to truly begin to feel grateful for what you already have, you will see that everything you've ever desired will come to you, because now you're feeling grateful for it. You're raising your vibrations, you're feeling good all the time, you have lots of self-love, lots of self-worth, and this is what's going to bring forth the wonderful world that you want to have come to you. And lastly, the 10th reason why you might not be able to manifest what you truly desire is your limited beliefs. You have to let go of these limited beliefs. They're the ones that are stopping you. They're the ones that are not allowing you to receive this manifestations. Okay? You might not see the end goal, but you have to every single day take little steps and realize that yes, you will be able to end up having, let's say, the business or the new home or the car. It's just every day take a little step. And I really want you to realize this, okay? You are an infinite spiritual being having a temporary experience in your body. This avatar, this is an avatar. This is not who I am. I am the soul inside of this body. And by letting go of these limited beliefs, you'll see that things will come to you at a much faster pace. If you guys want me to expand on any of these, comment that down below. Other than that, you guys have an amazing day. I love you guys. Namaste.